हेलो एवरीवन। विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा, झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा। स्कूल में ये हमारा कुछ एंथम हुआ करता था, लेकिन आज ये एक रियलिटी में कन्वर्ट हो चुका है। इट्स ए प्राउड फैक्ट फॉर एवरी इंडियन दैट इंडिया इज अमंग द फ्यू नेशन जिसका फ्लैग स्विट्जरलैंड ने अपने सबसे आइकॉनिक मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल माउंटेन, वन ऑफ द हेवंस ऑन द अर्थ, दैट इज मैटरहॉर्न पे होस्ट किया है। Now the world is fighting against the coronavirus and COVID-19. Switzerland, which is also one of the affected country by the COVID-19 and the coronavirus, solidarity express करने के लिए with those countries which are fighting effectively with the COVID-19 and the coronavirus, they projected a light on the Matterhorn mountain to hoist the flag. ना अगर मैं यूपीएससी या एमपीएससी के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से इस न्यूज को एनालाइज करूं तो यहाँ पे इम्पोर्टेंट न्यूज हमारे लिए क्या हो सकता है। फर्स्ट इम्पोर्टेंट जो हमारे लिए न्यूज हो सकता है, व्हाई स्विट्जरलैंड इवन दो प्रोग्रेसिव नेशन हैव one of the highest per capita cases of COVID-19. Secondly, we will discuss basic geographical fact regarding the Matterhorn. Third, we are going to discuss the Alp mountain because Matterhorn is a part of the Alps mountain. And finally, we are going to discuss the highest mountain of the Alps, that is Mont Blanc. So without any further delay, let's begin the discussion. स्विट्जरलैंड विच इज़ अ प्रोग्रेसिव नेशन, जो बहुत सारे प्रोग्रेसिव इंडिकेटर्स होते हैं लाइक ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट, पीस इंडेक्स, हैप्पीनेस इंडेक्स, इसमें टॉप करता है। उसके बावजूद वाई स्विट्जरलैंड हैव द हाईएस्ट पर कैपिटा केसेस ऑफ कोविड-19 आफ्टर द आइसलैंड और द माइक्रो स्टेट्स। तो नॉर्मली अगर मैं इसकी बात करूं, देर आर टू इम्पोर्टेंट रीजन फॉर दिस। First important reason is its geographical location. Now all of you know the geographical location of Switzerland touches border with the northern Italy. Italy, all of you know, is one of the most affected country with the COVID-19. Approximately or more than 20,000 people have died in the Italy because of the coronavirus. So obviously being a neighbor, large number of cases obviously transmitted from the Italy to the Switzerland. Second important reason is the direct democracy in the Switzerland. Now generally normal time में ये कहा जाता है कि डिसीजन आप सोच समझ के ले, बट ड्यूरिंग द इमरजेंसी ऐसा माना जाता है कि डिसीजन फास्ट होना चाहिए। नाउ स्विट्जरलैंड इज अ डायरेक्ट डेमोक्रेसी जहां पे डिसीजन कंसेंसस, पब्लिक से डिस्कस करने के बाद, कंसेंसस बनाने के बाद वो डिसीजन लेते हैं। India is a unique case in the world. Why India is unique case in the world? Because India during normal time our constitution is federal, but during the time of any emergency situation our constitution convert into the unitary, where the central government will have all the resources to fight against any emergency situation, but that is not the case in the Switzerland. In Switzerland it's a direct democracy where the consensus, first they form the consensus. Now during the emergency like COVID-19 where you require fast steps like lockdown, number of other decision, Switzerland ने काफी डिले किया, and because of that you will find out it was affected by the coronavirus. So these are two important reason. First geographical reason and second is the direct democracy for having highest per capita number of COVID cases after Iceland and the micro states. Now let's discuss about the Matterhorn. Matterhorn is a German word which means peak in the meadows. Matterhorn, it's a heaven on the earth. It's a iconic mountain of Switzerland. काफी देखने में खूबसूरत है। मोस्ट पिक्टोग्राफिक एंड फोटोग्राफिक माउंटेन भी कहते हैं इसको, और ये वन ऑफ द पॉपुलर डेस्टिनेशन है माउंटेन क्लाइंबर्स के लिए। एक छोटी सी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी है कि पहली फीमेल कौन होगी जो इसके माउंटेन समिट को कॉन्कर करेगी। काफी बड़ा स्ट्रगल हुआ था between the two women's and finally we had the. So again this fact is not important but that portrays ki what kind of enthusiasm is there among the mountain climbers regarding the Matterhorn mountain. Now as far as UPSC or MPSC is concerned, what are the important facts that you have to remember regarding the Matterhorn? First, it is the sixth highest mountain of the Alps as well as Europe. Second important fact, even though Matterhorn name is a German word, this mountain is situated between the Switzerland and Italy. और दोस्तों जो हमने लाइट प्रोजेक्ट देखा वो कहाँ पे था, इटली में या स्विट्जरलैंड में? इट इज इन दी स्विट्जरलैंड. नाउ एक सबसे बड़ा सवाल ये आता है, जो ये हेवन है ऑन द अर्थ, ये फॉर्म कैसे हुआ? तो अप्रोक्सीमेटली ओवर 10 मिलियन ईयर एगो देयर वाज अ कोलिजन बिटवीन द अफ्रीकन एंड द ऑस्ट्रियन प्लेट्स, जिसकी वजह से एक फोल्ड माउंटेन क्रिएट हुआ. दैट इज व्हाट वी कॉल एज ए मैटरहॉर्न माउंटेन. Matterhorn is the sixth highest mountain of the Alps. So let's discuss the Alps mountain. Alps mountain is a young fold mountain range that entirely lies in the Europe. Now, how this Alp mountain was formed? Again, there is a collision between the African and the Eurasian plate that led to the formation of number of mountain range, जिसको हम लोग collectively we call it as a Alps mountain. Now अगर हम Alps के लोकेशन के बारे में बात करें तो it is surrounded by the Switzerland, Germany, Monaco, Slovenia, France, Austria, Italy and then Liechtenstein. Now आप सोच रहे हो कि मैं इतने रैपिडली कैसे बोल गया? तो अगेन जैसे मैंने हमेशा बोला है, आपको ये सब याद रखने के लिए यू रिक्वायर द एक्रोनॉम. सो फॉर दिस आई हैव द एक्रोनॉम स्वीट स्विट्जरलैंड, जेम्स GEMS Germany, then you have Monaco, then you have Slovenia and finally you have Phil, sweet gem Phil. So we have France, Austria, Italy and Liechtenstein. And the last important fact regarding the Alps mountain, Mont Blanc is the highest mountain of the Alps as well as the Europe. Now Mont Blanc is the highest mountain of the Alps. So इसके बारे में कुछ important fact देख लेते हैं. For example, ये कहाँ पे exactly इसका लोकेशन है? So it lies in the French Alps, but it is owned by the French as well as Italy via the bilateral agreement. तो आपको याद रखना है ये फ्रेंच की टेरिटरी में है, बट इसको ओनरशिप की बात करेंगे, इट इज ओन्ड बाय द बोथ French as well as Italy via the bilateral agreement. This is all about the Matterhorn mountain, but before I am going to end my video, let's deal with the one basic question which can be important for both the exams. Now again I will request all of you to please pause the video and first solve by yourself, then proceed with the video. Now अगर मैं यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन को देखूँ तो कुछ माउंटेन रेंज दिए गए हैं और उसके हाईएस्ट पीक के बारे में पूछा गया है. Now you have some popular mountain peaks in the world like Karakoram is there, you have Andes, you have Rockies and then obviously we have discussed about the Alps. So if I talk about like Karakoram, so the highest peak of the Karakoram range is the K2 and you have to remember that it is surrounded by Pakistan, India, Afghanistan, China and Tajikistan. The acronym for this is the PIA Cheetah. So first, if you see Karakoram K2, that is correct. Second, already I have discussed Alps mountain. The highest peak of the Alps mountain is the Mont Blanc. That is also correct. Now let's discuss the third statement. It is said that Andes, the highest peak is given Mount Elbert. That is incorrect because the Andes highest peak is the Mount Aconcagua and Mount Elbert is the highest peak of Rockies mountain range in the USA. So the answer is 1 and 2. For more such videos, please like and subscribe our channel IAS Ignited Mind. Thank you very much.